Hi, Domenica here from easysewingforbeginners.com. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can start sewing with a needle and thread without having to tie a knot in your thread first. Okay, so to get started, what you'll need is your needle and thread, and you'll need to start by doubling over your thread. So you put your thread tails together, so you can either thread the tails through the eye of the needle together, or you can do what I do and use one of these low-ran needle threaders because my eyesight is terrible. I'll link them down in the description box below so you can check them out online. But basically all you do is you put the needle over the hook, put your thread over the hook, and then pull your needle over and pull it through like that. Okay. So what you need to do is just pull it through so the end with the loop is at the bottom and you've got your thread tails near the eye of the needle. Okay? And so then you quite simply, so whatever you're sewing, I'm just going to use an embroidery hoop as an example. So bring your needle up from the bottom and you pull just until your loop is nearly all the way through, and then you go back down in almost the same spot and pull your thread through, and when that's nearly all the way through, put your needle through that loop and then pull tight, and then your sewing should be nice and secure and you'll be ready to start your embroidery or your sewing if you're sewing on a button or something like that. It's a great way to secure your thread without having those thread tails dangling down. Okay, I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with all the new videos, and I'll see you next time.